Welcome friends, in this tutorial I will show you how to install Laravel in your system. In previous video tutorial I will show how to install Composer globally. If you are interested to know how to install Composer globally, you can see my previous video. The link is given in the description of this video. So let's start. You can write cmd here, and here you can go to Laravel official side and copy this. Here you can write this command and wait for it. The specific and required packages are installed and it takes little bit time, so wait until its installation. So Laravel package is installed successfully. Now I can go to the specific folder where I create this is the default name given for the folder. Now go to this specific folder and enter. Here I can write php artisan serve, and the Laravel website is launched successfully. Now paste it into browser. You can see Laravel is installed successfully. Now the next task is to create authentication system in this Laravel project. Now go to the specific directory and write composer require Laravel /UI --, div and press enter. It also takes little bit time for the saving of time. We pause this video here. Packages are installed successfully. Now I write one more command, which is php artisan UI bootstrap. We are using bootstrap for authentication system --auth. Now it said type npm install. So it is installing required packages again. It also takes a little bit time, so for saving time I pause this video here. Now the package npm install is installed successfully. Now we give the command npm run div and press enter. The command also takes little bit time. npm run div. So it install. So webpack compiled successfully as a result of this command. Now hopefully friends you can learn from this video tutorial. This is not showing because I can off its launch. Now I can again launch this through command prompt php artisan serve and copy this in a browser. You can see authentication is installed successfully in the project. If you are interested to learn Laravel step by step and in a easy way, you can subscribe my channel, and I am making further videos on Laravel framework, and I am planning to make complete e-commerce store in it. So if you are interested, please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.